Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a super straightforward topic: how to activate your Fifth Third card directly through the app in 2025. If you're a new cardholder or just upgrading your banking game, this quick guide will have you up and running in no time. Let's jump right in. First, ensure you have the Fifth Third bank app installed on your smartphone. If you don't, head over to your device's app store, whether it's Google Play or the Apple App Store, and download it for free. It's quick and secure. Once the app is ready, open it and log in with your existing username and password. If you're new to the app, you'll need to create an account using your card details or link it to your online banking. Don't worry, the process is user-friendly and only takes a minute. Now, head to the main dashboard or menu and look for the Cards section. This is where all your card-related options are housed. Tap on it to proceed. Next, find and select the Activate Card option. You'll be prompted to enter some key information, like your 16-digit card number, the expiration date, and the CVV code from the back of your card. Make sure to double-check these details for accuracy to avoid any errors. After entering the info, hit the Submit or Activate button. The app will process your request, and you should see a confirmation message on screen within seconds. Congratulations! Your card is now activated. If you encounter any hiccups, such as an error message, ensure your app is updated to the latest 2025 version and that you have a stable internet connection. You can always reach out to Fifth Third's customer support for personalized help. There you go, you've successfully activated your Fifth Third card on the app. This simple step saves you time and keeps things digital. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more banking tips, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.